Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy a TradingView subscription in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, this is the right time because currently a Black Friday sale is going on TradingView. In this deal, you are going to get up to 80% off plus whichever subscription you are interested in. You will get additional free month. So make sure you check out the link of this deal page in the description. Once you come here, simply click on the option of explore the offers. Over here, when you look for the options here, you will see they have the essential plan, then they have the plus plan. Their most valuable plan is their premium plan, and then they have the ultimate plan. So among these plans, you just have to select the one which you want to purchase. Then click on the option of buy now. Once you do this, you will be landed here on this page where you just have to provide your address related information, your full name, then press next here in the right hand section. On the next page, you just have to select your payment method, and then after entering those details, you just have to conclude your payment. Once you do this, you will be able to take a look at all of your billings related details by going to the settings and the billing options. Over here, when you go to the subscriptions, it is going to show you the active subscriptions that you are currently using. Here too, you can click on the option of upgrade now, and then you can again select the subscription which you want to purchase, then follow the same steps like providing your billing details and concluding the payment. So this way you will be able to purchase a TradingView subscription. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.